In this video, I will show how to install Wi-Fi driver without CD in any laptop, PC, Windows, Linux, Mac, and any version of Windows like 7, 10, or 11. So visit my this website and search this page, install Wi-Fi driver without CD. Then click on this download link and complete this downloading process. Once you successfully download, you will see this zip file. Right click on it, then extract all. Now open this folder. Now here you will see Wi-Fi driver for almost all system, Windows, Mac, Linux, Mac and Linux. So open file as your system and double click on this setup file. Now click on accept, then next. Now here select any option, then next, then install. Now wait for a few minutes till this installing process will be complete. Now here click on finish. Now restart your system and after restart click on network icon and connect and enter the password. So this is the method guys, you can install Wi-Fi driver without a CD. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not. And if you're facing any error, so comment, I will try to resolve it.